a little bit the nasolabial fold. She wanted to do a little bit the lips, so I will do with only one point, all around the point, the nappage with the stillage, more stripes. So this is for me to show me where I have to give volume and when I have to do only nappage. And I prefer to do it, of course, in a sitting position at the beginning. And usually, you know, here I am introducing more products, of course, more quantity, just to do a restoration of volume. Okay, now I am in the hypodermis, and my goal is just to do a nappage, very light, very superficial. Okay, I have a 27 gauge soft fill with a 40 millimeter. I am just superficial, very superficial, to give an hydration, you know, to the skin. With a stillage end, I move the cannula all around the point. Like a fan shape technique. I am in the cheekbone now. I just stretch the skin because I am doing a volume restoration of the loss of fat, superficial fat. I can do the perioral wrinkle a little bit. You see, I am in the white lip. Very superficial. Now I am injecting the lips. Eh oui. Ça y est, c'est fini. C'est pour ça que je ne voulais pas les faire. Ok. On relaxe un peu. Okay, now in the chin, and this technique is very interesting to lift the fold here, the marionette line. Because when we come from an upper point, it's very easy to stretch the skin here, you know, when we do the nappage. Alors, of course, you inject in this area, but not in this one, because we can increase the sagging if we inject here. It's for that I have done my drawing before, to show you that there is some areas we can feel, but some others, it's not so good. And the lower lip, I will go very slowly. You see the tip of the cannula? Yes, in the lower lip. Usually we are in the mucosis. You know, just for hydration, little. Okay. In the other side, it's a laterofacial. And this is interesting because we can lift the skin here when we inject a little quantity of product. Only 1 point, no blood, nothing. So for dark circles, you can come from this point too. The goal is to inject, of course, deeply on the bone, on the periosteum. I am very deep, so I can't show you the tip of the cannula. Okay, like the surgeon are doing the fat injection, the lipofilling usually, they inject on the bone, bolus by bolus, all around the hollow. You see? It's here, but very deep. So you can't see the tip. And when you do the dark circle, you have to consider all the area. This technique is really very appreciated in my office because they see the difference immediately. It gives light and it's very, natural, and there is no pain, no trauma. On the line, but not near the commissure, just 1 centimeter. Okay, go back. I have introduced the cannula perpendicularly. Now I move the cannula. I am deep. I am on the bone now. My red point is down to inject the product deeply. Okay. And I go, all along the bone, introducing little by little bolus of hyaluronic acid. The cheekbones, usually I use the zygomatic point, that means this one, and precisely I am injecting in this area. When I want to inject everywhere, I ask my patient to avoid the high temperatures like sauna, hammam. The soft film mask after injection, because I think it's good for our patients. It's very comfortable. They need to be relaxing after injection, mainly when we are injecting the whole face. It decreases the redness, it decreases inflammation, and it optimizes the hydration.
Thank you, madam.
You see, she's fresh now. The skin is really very strong. more firm. The volume is great.